Hey, what's going on everybody? It's Walt with Tangled and today I want to show you how to make the best portable live bait box for the money, in my opinion. You'll only need to buy two things: this 8-gallon bucket tote that was around 11 bucks, and it even comes with these lid locking handles, and this Baby Bubbles air pump, both purchased at Walmart. I'm adding a second to mine, but one works great. Here's an example of what it should look like. Then I'll show you how to do it. It's quick and easy and totally worth it. And if you wouldn't mind pumping some air into that like button and subscribing, it would totally help the channel. Thank you very much. You're the best. When you open up this air pump, it should come with a hose, an air stone, and the pump. And this costs around $6. Start off by drilling a hole for the tube closest to the handle where you want the pump. A 1/4-inch drill bit should do the trick. And when you take the tie off, remember to stretch the tube to remove the memory. Open the lid and push the tube through the hole from the bottom to top, leaving the air stone in the bucket. You'll want to grab a sharp knife to make a slit for the air pump. Make the slit on the side of the box as close to the top as you can. This air pump takes two AA batteries. It works with one, but it works stronger and longer with two. Slide the clip in the slot you made earlier and connect the two. This thing is an absolute game changer. Not only does it make your bait more lively that calls for a more reactive strike, but you can use it to keep your catch alive till you get home if you don't have ice. It'll fit a couple trout or mangrove snapper just fine. You can also use the slop that came on the lid to hold a fillet knife and a dip net, or whatever will fit. There's 4 slots total. And would you look at that, we even got a little guy in there waiting for us. Subscribe for more fishing fun.